Growing your easy texting subscriber list with QR codes. To set up a QR code in Easy Texting, from the home screen, first click on Tools, then on QR Code Generator, and finally, set up a QR code. From here, you can use the drop-down to determine what you'd like to happen when the QR code is scanned. The Create Text Message option makes it easy for contacts to join your subscriber list by pre-writing a text message that includes your opt-in keyword. The Visit URL option redirects contacts directly to a website, landing page, social media site, shopping cart, restaurant menu, and more. The Prompt a Phone Call option gives contacts a fast way to pull up your phone number. And lastly, the Show Plain Text option allows you to enter any message that you would like contacts to see when they scan your code. Once you've made your decision, click on Generate QR Code to complete the process. Your unique QR code will display, which you can test by using your phone camera. Download the image and then upload or print it anywhere you'd like. Be sure to tell clients to scan the code with their phone camera and what they will receive after scanning. Congrats! You've now used QR codes to grow your subscriber list with Easy Texting.